'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much, just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. Must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. You see through right to the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love. I never knew love like I've known it with you. Will a memory survive? One I can hold on to. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I'll hold it back again. This passion inside, I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Your love I remember forever. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. Or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. Must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. Don't walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. If I don't have you. Oh.
This dance is called Take My Love, choreographed by Jean-Pierre Madge. It's a 48 count, one wall, advanced level rolling 8 count line dance. In this dance, we start with the intro facing 6 o'clock. Starting with the right foot, forward point, half turn left, forward point, hold for 2 count. Count for the intro. 1 R, 2 R, 3, 4. That's the intro. Now let me show you the main dance. Main dance has 48 count. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Right foot twinkle step, cross side, behind with a hitch, behind side. 1-8 turn left, stepping forward, facing 10-30. Step forward, pivot half turn left, continue half turn left on your left foot and lift up your right foot. Back with a touch. Section 2, right foot twinkle step again, cross, side rock, recover. Cross, quarter turn left, stepping back, quarter turn left, stepping to side and sway to left, sway to right. Cross rock, recover, quarter turn left, stepping forward to left diagonal. Cross rock, recover, quarter turn right, stepping forward. Step left foot forward and make a spiral full turn right. Forward. Left foot forward again with a spiral full turn right. Section 4, forward with a swing, cross, side. Rock back, facing to left diagonal, recover, quarter turn right, stepping back, quarter turn right, stepping to side. Cross, point, forward with a hitch, back. Section 5, back rock, recover, half turn right, stepping back rock, recover. From here, we'll do a 3/4 turn left with quarter side, behind, side, cross. Side, behind, side, cross with a 3, now facing 9 o'clock. Section 5, with cross, side, behind, side rock, and look at to right. Rolling mind to your right. Quarter, half, quarter. Weave again. Cross, side, behind, side rock, and reach your left arm to right. Quarter turn left, forward. Scout with a half turn left, hit your right foot. Section 6, big back step, left foot coaster step, right foot twinkle step, left foot twinkle step. Step forward, pivot half turn left, step forward, pivot half turn left. Forward with a swing, left foot twinkle step. Last step for the main dance. Now let me show you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R2, R3, 4 and R5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and R2, R3, 4, 5 and R6 and R7, R8. 1, 2, R3, 4 and R5 R, 6 R, 7, 8 and R. 1, 2 R3, 4 R5, R6, R7, R8. 1 and R2, 3 R4, 5 and R6, 7 R8 and 1, 2 and R3 and R4 and R5 R, 6 R, 7, 8 and R. Last count. There are 5 walls in this dance. Wall 1, you dance 48 count, then add the tag 1. Tag 1 has the 3 count, starting with the right foot. Forward to left diagonal, facing 10-30. Pivot half turn left, make another half turn left, stepping back. Back and hook your right foot. Count for the tag 1. 1, 2, R3. Last tag 1. For wall 2, you dance up to section 4, count 7. You'll be in the hitch position. Now add the bridge 1. Back, back. Continue the dance. A and R. 1, 2, R3, 4, R5, R6, R7, R8. 1 and R2. Now add the tag 2, quarter turn left stepping forward, step left foot forward and make a spiral forward turn right. Now connect to wall 3, 1 and R2. That's wall 2. Wall 3, you dance a 48 count and add the tag 3. Tag 3 has 7 count, starting with the right foot. Cross walk, recover, side. Cross walk, recover, side. Cross, point, cross, point, cross, unwind, full turn left. Count for the tag 3. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3 R, 4 R, 5, 6, 7. Then connect to wall 4. For wall 4, again you dance up to section 4, count 7. Then add the tag 4. Count 7, you'll be hitch position, tag 4, hold for 2 count. Back, back, point. Count for tag 4. 8, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then restart the dance, connect to wall 5. Wall 5, you dance up to 32 count, then add the bridge 2. Then finish the dance till count 47. Section 4, count 25 to 32. 1, 2, R3, 4, R5, R6, R7, R8. Then add the bridge 2. Cross, unwind forward turn left and switch your right foot. 1, 2. Then continue finish the dance. 1 and R2, 3, R4, 5 and R6, 7 R8 and 1, 2 and R3 and R4 and R5 R6 R7 for the ending. Last wall 5. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.